right, I just want to talk briefly about the instrument in the molded inside of the case. The instrument only fits in here one direction. So I'm going to take out the head joint for just a moment. And I'm going to kind of zoom in so you can see. Notice that this section right in here is a little bit wider. This is to allow for the lip plate to fit correctly. So when you put that back in, make sure that that lip plate is exactly where it was when you open the case. Okay, I'm going to come down here for the foot joint. I'm going to take this out briefly. And you see how the case is molded to fit those keys. See how there's a key right there on the side, and it's going to fit right there in that groove when I set it back in again. Okay, and lastly, the body of the instrument. I'm going to take this out and show you. So this end down here is a little bit wider for the saddle or the barrel of the instrument, and down here you'll see how it's molded to fit those keys. So that's only going to fit in there one direction, okay, and go back in there. Now, if you get it in the wrong direction, it's not going to fit. It's not going to nestle down in there correctly. And when you go to close the case and put the lid down, if your instrument's not nestled down in there correctly, you run the risk of bending keys or rods. And we want to make sure we don't do that because that's going to make the instrument unplayable and damage it. So be sure that you get it in there the correct direction. One thing I might suggest that you do is take a photograph with your device or your phone of the instrument nestled down in there correctly until you get comfortable with how to put it away correctly. Once again, make sure when you close it that these latches completely go shut.